Food AI Studio. Hey there, welcome to my Food AI Studio review. In this video, we are going to take a look at an example of one of the websites you get to create with this platform and also go over the pros and cons of this specific marketing strategy. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. Been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, seeing lots of these different systems come and go in that time. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research Food AI Studio reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with Food AI Studio, what you are doing is you're building a website using a done-for-you template that the app gives you in the food niche. So you're basically replicating an Uber Eats style website where you've got a website up and running, people place order for takeaway food, and then it is delivered to them. So you're creating one of these own websites, which you can either use yourself as the business owner or sell these to restaurants or takeaway business owners as a freelancer and create the websites for them. It would make much more sense to create these type of websites as a freelancer for other businesses, because there's no way a beginner to internet marketing is going to build a website from scratch and then actually hire delivery drivers and hire people to do the food and create a whole business around that from scratch in the real physical world. That seems a bit too much of a stretch to expect a newbie doing that. However, it would be more realistic if you create these websites for takeaway business owners, for restaurants, and see if they want to add a delivery service with a new website, and then you can create it for them as a web design freelancer, and then you could use Food AI Studio to build the website as a freelancer for local businesses. That would make much more sense of the best use of this app. So let's take a look at a demo of what one of these websites looks like. It's quite a professional layout. You scroll through, you can see the different dishes. You create your menu step by step by adding to the cart. It operates in a very similar way to Uber Eats, so it does actually replicate the design and the layout quite well. And then people can place an order, whether they can pay you by PayPal or cash on delivery, or a credit card option you can hook up to your website with Stripe. And then once you've got the payment, then you can then fulfill the order by getting a delivery driver to make the delivery. So it's only going to make sense if you're selling this to a local business owner who already has the infrastructure in place to cook the food and to deliver it. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever for a newbie entrepreneur, brand new to internet marketing, to actually run a physical real world business like this. But it does make sense that you could sell this type of website to your clients as a freelancer. Then you've got this back office area where you can customize the website, add coupons and discounts. You can change the menu and the design and the layout of the website. So Food AI Studio could be a useful tool to use as a freelancer, but even if you're creating these type of websites for local businesses, I'm not sure the best way is to use a software app that comes from one of these product launches, because next month the vendor will be onto another launch and this app may not be supported as well. It's better to use tried and tested software that is dedicated specifically for that purpose, rather than from a vendor that's launching products each month. However, I still think you could produce some quite high quality websites that are worth selling and charging a fee for to local businesses using Food AI Studio. But both pros and cons in this type of strategy. If you want to discover more about my main method for generating a realistic income online, been going strong for me for well over 10 years now, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my FoodAI Studio review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.